welcome to problem 464. This is 4 different factoring problems. Ignore the green marker there, that's from, just got stuck on there, I can't get it off. So, first problem here, this is a trinomial. Remember our thought process, we start with greatest common factor. Nothing between all three of them. Then we look for one of the shortcuts. Is a equal to 1? No. Is it a difference of two squares? No. Is it a perfect square trinomial? That's not a perfect square, so no. None of the shortcuts work. Which leave us with just doing this kind of the long way that we know how to. This one comes down here in the area model at the bottom, and -6 goes here. We are looking for things that multiply to be first times the last, that multiply to be -36x squared, that also add up to be the middle. Can anybody in the class think of the factors that multiply to be -36 and add to be +5? 9 and 4, good. 9x, -4x. Those go here. And then we go around our outside. This has to be the 3 so that it works with the 9. And this has to be a -2. So my factored answer is 3x minus 2 and 2x plus 3. Okay, that is A. B, we check first for our greatest common factor. Is there one? Does anybody in the class see a greatest common factor? I see one. 2 is a greatest common factor. Great. So let's pull out a 2, and that leaves left over 4x squared minus 25. Now we look at this. Is there a shortcut? A equals 1? No. Perfect square trinomial? No, because it's not a trinomial. There's only 2 terms. What about a difference of 2 perfect squares? Yeah. Perfect square minus perfect square? Yes. The 2 stays along the outside. Square root of 4x squared is, everybody? 2x. Square root of 25 is? 5. What are the signs like in a difference of squares? Right, the signs are different. One's positive, one's negative. Great. That's B. C. First thing we always look for in every factoring problem is greatest common factor. Do you see a greatest common factor here? 2, and also there is an x. And that leaves left over x squared plus an x minus, I think that's 56. Now I'm looking at this. Is there a shortcut? Do you see a shortcut? Yeah, A equals 1. So when I do 1 times -56, the things that multiply to be -56 that add up to be the middle, that's going to be 8 and -7. I can go straight to my answer there. X plus 8, x minus 7. 2x comes along for the ride. That is C. For D, that's here. Is there a greatest common factor? No, nothing for all of them. So we look for a shortcut. A equals 1? No. Difference of squares? No. Perfect square trinomials? Maybe. Is this a perfect square? 3x times 3x. Is this a perfect square? 4 times 4. When you multiply them and double it, is that the middle? 12x doubled is 24. Yes. So this is a perfect square trinomial. We can skip the box and diamond business and we can go straight to our answer. I'll just do it right over here. The 3x goes here and here. The 4 goes here and here. What are the signs like in a perfect square trinomial? Whatever the middle is. The middle is negative, so we're both negative. There we go. We got all 4 of them there. Have a great day.